Getting from now to your future could be like walking a tightrope. One thing's for sure. There's going to be lots of ups and downs. But a good education helps. But finding the balance between your skills and interests and the right school is key. A successful future used to require a minimum of 4 years in college. Guess what? Great news. There's another option. A 4-year education may not be your only path to a great career. In fact, 53% of all college graduates in the US are either unemployed or underemployed. Think about it. Even the former Secretary of Education, William Bennett, says that many 4-year colleges may not be worth the money. Whether you're college bound or not, the goal is the same. Get the proper training that will allow you to pursue your passion while making a comfortable living. Let's take a look at 3 very different professions: teaching, law enforcement, and a service industry professional, like a plumber or an electrician. Assuming each employee earns standard pay raises, guess who earns the highest salary after 5 years on the job? Surprised? Nice haircut. Now, let's examine the numbers. According to scholarshipworkshop.com, the average cost of 4 years of in-state college tuition is over $120,000. Investment in a typical vocational or technical college education is under $29,000. The difference can be even greater when you consider only 54% of first-year college students graduate within 6 years. So 5 years after graduating from high school, the service industry professional is debt-free and has a skill set that can be used anywhere in the country. Good material, huh? Especially if you think you're trade school material. After all, the real value of higher education is where it will take you.
Trade schools are the gateway to a promising future. To find out more, get to the website explorethetrades.org and discover the many career options as a service industry professional. It's only too late if you don't start now. Scholarships are available.